My dear friend, if you wake up every morning feeling weak, tired, drained, or older than your age, I want you to know something very important today. It is not your fault, and it is not the end of your story. Feeling weak each morning does not mean you are broken. It means your body is whispering to you. It is asking for help. It is asking for a small change, a gentle correction, a bit of kindness, a little wisdom, a few fixes that can completely transform how you feel every morning. Because morning weakness is not a destiny. It is a signal, and signals can be corrected easily, slowly, gently, and powerfully today. I am going to walk with you, step by step, through 6 simple but life-changing fixes that can restore your morning energy, renew your strength, and help you wake up with confidence, clarity, and power again. Not fast, not rushed, not complicated, but in a calm, caring, friendly way. Just like a wise companion sitting beside you, speaking softly, and helping you understand what your body has been missing. So take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Let your mind settle. Because today, your healing begins. A short story to connect. Why mornings change everything. Let me begin with a small story. A few months ago, I met an elderly gentleman named Mr. Trump. He was 71 years old, and every morning, he felt like he had no battery left. He told me, I opened my eyes, but my body refuses to wake up. His legs were heavy. His breathing was slow. His mind was foggy. His energy was nearly zero. He believed this was just old age, but it wasn't. After a few gentle changes, after understanding what his body was lacking, after fixing the simple things his body was calling out for, within 6 weeks, he began waking up with more energy than he had felt in 15 years. He told me, I thought my morning weakness was permanent, but it was simply a sign that I was missing a few basic things, and that is why you are here today, to learn the same wisdom, to understand what your body is asking for, to unlock your strength again, because you can fix morning weakness. You absolutely can, and I will show you exactly how. The 6 things you must fix if you feel weak every morning. We'll take them one by one, slowly, gently, and with practical steps you can start using today. Fix number 1. Your nighttime energy loss. Most people believe morning weakness is a morning problem, but the truth is, morning weakness usually begins the night before. Your body repairs itself at night. Your muscles recover at night. Your energy resets at night. Your hormones rebalance at night. But if your night is broken, disturbed, shallow, or stressful, your morning will be weak. Let me explain it in the simplest way. Your body is a battery. Night equals charging time. Morning equals how full the battery is. If you feel weak in the morning, your battery didn't charge well overnight, and there are 4 major reasons why. Let's walk through each one, slowly and clearly. You are not eating enough at night. This may surprise you. Many seniors think eating less at night is better, but the truth is, your body needs fuel to repair itself during sleep. If you go to bed empty, your body goes into preservation mode. It saves energy instead of producing energy. Result, you wake up weak. Here's a simple fix. Eat a light but nourishing dinner, such as a bowl of vegetable soup, a small portion of chicken or fish, a handful of nuts, oats, with warm milk, a banana, boiled egg. You don't need a heavy meal, just enough to give your body the nutrients it needs to repair overnight. You are not drinking enough water in the evening. Dehydration is one of the silent causes of morning weakness. When your body is dehydrated, your blood becomes thicker, your heart works harder, your muscles tighten, your brain slows down, and by morning, you feel weak, dizzy, dreadfully. Drink 1 glass of water 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Not too much, not too late, just enough to hydrate your body for the night. Your sleep quality is poor. You may sleep for 7 to 8 hours, but poor sleep quality destroys your morning energy. You know this type of sleep. You toss and turn, you wake up multiple times. You dream too much, you feel unreset. This happens because your brain does not reach deep sleep, the healing stage. Simple fixes: avoid screens 30 minutes before bed, lower room lights, keep the room cool, loose, slow breathing before sleep, drink warm milk or herbal tea. These small steps can transform your sleep and transform your mornings. You are sleeping. The lattice is one of the biggest causes of morning weakness. Sleeping after 1 a.m. destroys your natural recovery cycle. Your body heals the most between 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. You miss this healing window, you wake up drained. Try sleeping between 10 p.m. and 11:30 p.m. Even if you don't sleep instantly, just lying down begins the healing cycle. Fix number 2. your morning blood circulation. Let's move to the second fix. If you wake up weak, there's a high chance your morning blood flow is poor. Why? Because when you sleep, blood circulation slows down, your muscles stiffen, your joints tighten, your nerves relax. When you suddenly stand up in the morning, your body struggles to pump enough blood upward to your brain, and you feel wake dizzy. The good news: you can fix this in 60 seconds every morning. Let me teach you the morning circulation ritual. The 60-second morning circulation ritual before you get out of bed. Step 1. Wiggle your toes 10 seconds. This activates nerve pathways. Step 2. Rotate your ankles 10 seconds. This pumps blood back upward. Step 3. Squeeze and release your leg muscles 10 seconds. This wakes up your circulation. Step 4. Sit up slowly. Don't rush 10 seconds. Give your blood time to rise. Step 5. Take 3 deep breaths 10 seconds. This oxygenates your brain. Step 6. Rub your palms and place them on your eyes 10 seconds. This calms your nervous system. Daily repetition of this ritual strengthens blood flow, morning balance, muscle activation, heart function, brain clarity. This alone can reduce morning weakness by 30 to 40%. Fix number 3. Your mineral levels: magnesium, iron, potassium. Now we come to one of the most powerful causes of morning weakness. Most seniors are low in 3 key minerals: magnesium. In potions, these minerals are low, your mornings become weak. Let me explain each one in simple words. 1. Magnesium, the relaxation mineral. Low magnesium causes morning muscle stiffness, deep fatigue, anxiety, sleep sources. Nutseeds, ban of fossil greens. A small change in magnesium can produce huge morning improvements. 2. Iron, the oxygen mineral. Low iron causes sudden weakness in the morning. Lithodelets, face, short breath sources. Dates, spinach, beans. Iron helps your morning energy explode upward. 3. Potassium, the muscle strength mineral. Low potassium causes leg weakness, muscle cramps. Low morning chart rhythm issue sources. Banana, potato, scone, water, yogurt. Fix these minerals. Fix your mornings. Fix number 4. Your morning oxygen level. Most people don't know this. Your oxygen level drops slightly at night. This is normal. But for seniors, it drops a bit more. When oxygen levels fall, you wake up, heavy, confusal energy. So we need to bring oxygen back into your system immediately in the morning. The fix is incredibly simple. The 30-second oxygen wake up right when you sit up in bed. Step 1. Inhale deeply for 4 seconds. Fill your lungs completely. Step 2. Hold for 4 seconds. Cheese opens your air sacs. Step 3. Exhale slowly for 6 seconds. Cheese resets your nervous system. Do this 5 times. Your oxygen levels rise. Your brain wakes up. Your muscles activate. Your heart pumps smoothly. This is one of the quickest ways to eliminate morning weakness. Fix number 5. Your blood sugar balance. Morning weakness often happens because your blood sugar drops to low at night. Symptoms: shakiness, sudden weakness, sweating, green, irritability, pounding. Lithocistin is extremely common in seniors, even those without diabetes. Fix: eat a stability snack at night. Examples: a small banana, handful of peanut, often apple with peanut butter, a small bowl of oats. This keeps your blood sugar stable throughout the night and prevents the morning crash. Fix number 6. Your morning routine. Your morning routine decides your morning energy. Many seniors make 3 big morning mistakes: eating up to fast, skipping breakfast, sitting for too long. These destroy morning energy. Instead, try this simple routine. The 5-minute morning strength starts it. Up slow, little light ankle circles. Take 5 deep breaths. Drink 1 glass of water. Eat a small breakfast within 45 minutes of waking. This alone can improve your morning strength by 50% within a few weeks. Part 2. Going deeper into your morning strength transformation. Me, dear friend, you have already learned the 6 core physical fixes for morning weakness. But true transformation requires something deeper, something emotional, something mental, something spiritual, and something physical that goes beyond routines and minerals. Energy is not only a physical force, it is also emotional power, mental clarity, inner peace, and the gentle belief that your best days are still ahead of you. Morning weakness is not only about the body, it is also about how you sleep, how you think, how you breathe, how you carry stress, how much joy you allow into your heart, how much hope you hold, how you feel about your life when you open your eyes. And that is why the second half will go deeper, so much deeper, into your entire morning ecosystem. Your hormones, your nervous, your muscles, your emotional weight, your inner strength, your long-term energy habits, your deepest daily patterns. This is not just about waking up stronger. This is about awakening a new version of you. Fix number 7, your hormones, the secret energy switches. When you wake up feeling weak, slow, or drained, your hormones are almost always involved. Hormones are not just chemicals. They are your body's messengers, sending signals to your muscles, heart, brain, lungs, bones, and nerves. There are 3 hormones that decide how strong you feel in the morning. 1. Cortisol, your morning wake up signal. To melatonin, your sleep signal. 3. Insulin, your energy signal. Let's understand each one in a gentle, simple way. 1. Cortisol, the morning energy hormone. Cortisol gets a bad reputation, but the truth is, you need cortisol to feel awake. Without enough morning cortisol, you feel weak, slow, sleep, puny. Heavy fog. Your body is supposed to release a healthy wave of cortisol at sunrise, but many seniors barely get this morning wave. Why? Because they sleep late. They don't get morning sunlight. They wake up stressed. Their sleep is fragmented. Their hormones are unbalanced, and let's fix that. The 2-minute cortisol reset routine. Know this within the first 10 minutes of waking up. Step 1. Look at natural light for 60 seconds, not directly at the sun, just at daylight through a window. This signals your brain, wake up, rise, energize. Step 2. Stretch your arms upward for 30 seconds. These activates circulation and switches on your core muscles. Step 3. Drink half a glass of water. This pushes oxygen and blood upward. This tiny routine can boost morning strength dramatically within a week. 2. Melatonin, the sleep hormone. If melatonin doesn't drop properly in the morning, you will feel sleepy, sluggish. One well-is fog. Melatonin should fall sharply when you open your eyes, but in many seniors, melatonin stays high, and that causes morning weakness. Let's fix that too. How to lower morning melatonin naturally. Open your curtains immediately. Avoid staying in a dark bedroom. Turn on soft lights. Perform 1 to 2 minutes of gentle stretching. Don't go back to sleep after waking on. These tiny actions push melatonin downward and switch your brain on. 3. Insulin, the energy-regulating hormone. When insulin is unstable, your body cannot maintain stable energy. This leads to sudden weakness. Hunger. The dirge pounding. Fix is simple. Eat a protein-rich breakfast. Examples: eggs, yogurt, nuts, butter, oats, cheese. Protein stabilizes insulin for the entire day, reducing morning weakness by up to 40%. Fix number 8, your emotional weight. Let me tell you a truth many people ignore. A heavy heart creates a heavy morning. Emotional fatigue can turn into physical weakness. You are not imagining it. When you wake up feeling worried, helplessly, the body reacts. The shoulders tighten. The chest feels heavy. The breath becomes shallow. The muscles feel weak. The mind feels slow. So part of your morning strength requires emotional healing. Let's walk gently through this. The emotional morning reset. Every morning, before doing anything else, try this soft affirmation. This morning is a new beginning. My body is healing. I am stronger today than yesterday. This isn't motivational fluff. It is neuroscience. When you speak these words, 3 things happen. Your brain releases dopamine, the motivation hormone. Your breathing deepens, bringing more oxygen. Your nervous system shifts from stress mode into healing mode. This alone can make your mornings lighter, calmer, and stronger. Fix number 9, your nervous system. Your nervous system is the energy highway of your body. If your nerves are sleepy, slow, or stressed, your muscles cannot activate properly. Signs your nervous system is tired: morning shakiness, morning anxiety, slow reaction, difficulty standing, sluggish thinking, feelings low mood, feeling overwhelmed when waking. Let's strengthen your nervous system in the morning. The nervous system wake up technique. Step 1, place your hand over your heart, feel your heartbeat. Step 2, take a slow breath in through the nose for seconds. Step 3, exhale through the mouth 6 seconds. Step 4, rub your palms warmly, place them over your face. Step 5, rotate your shoulders gently 10 seconds. This activates the vagus nerve, the master nerve controlling your heart, brain, digestion's response. Energy levels. The simple ritual resets your entire nervous system. Fix number 10, your muscle memory. Have you ever noticed this? When you don't move much during the day, your morning becomes harder. This is because your muscles have something called muscle memory activation. Muscles that aren't used regularly shut down at night. When you wake up, they feel heavy, weak, tight, plafonds. Let's activate them gently each morning. The 3-minute muscle activation routine. 1, leg activation 45 seconds. Lightly squeeze your thighs and release. 2, Spine activation 45 seconds. Slowly rotate your upper body left and right. 3. Shoulder activation 30 seconds. Lift and drop your shoulders gently. 4. Hip activation 45 seconds. Move your knees side to side while sitting. 5. Neck activation 15 seconds. Small circular movements. These tiny movements wake your muscles, increase blood flow, and boost strength. Fix number 1 when your long-term energy habits. Energy is not something you gain overnight. It is something you grow slowly through tiny habits. Let's build the 3 habits that create permanent morning strength. Habit 1. The 2-glass water method. 1 glass before bed. Only glass. Within 10 minutes of waking, this alone can increase morning energy by 30%. Habit 2. The evening gratitude reflection before bed. Gently say, "Today, I survived. Today, I tried. Today, I am grateful." This lowers stress hormones and improves morning strength. Habit 3. The 10-minute morning light exposure. Light is your strongest biological reset button. Sit near a window. Walk to your balcony. Stand outside. Your hormones, energy, and nervous system shift instantly. Fix number 12. Hidden medical factors. Explain gently. Morning weakness can also come from hidden issues you may not know about. Here are the most common ones. Low vitamin B12, low vitamin thyroid, imbalance, low testosterone, men, low estrogen, women, anemia, sleep apnea, mild dehydration, electric imbalance, and medication. Side effects. I don't need to memorize these. You just need awareness. If your morning weakness is constant, increasing, or severe, a simple blood test can reveal what your body needs. Remember, awareness is strength. Understanding is healing. Action is transformation. The 30-day morning strength transformation plan. Let us put everything together into a gentle, powerful 30-day program. This plan will reset your hormones, restore your minerals, improve your oxygen levels, deepen your sleep, strengthen your nervous, improve your circulation, lift your emotional strength, nourish your muscles, and slowly your mornings will begin to heal. Week 1. Reset your foundation. Focus on sleeping before 11 p.m., drinking water before bed and after waking, doing the 6-second circulation, ritualized stretching in the morning, evening, calming routine, eating a small, protein-rich breakfast. Expected results: less heaviness, less dizziness, easier to stand in morning, less fogginess. Week 2. Strengthen your energy pathways. Add morning sunlight, nervous system, wake up technique, potassium-rich foods, magnesium-rich foods. 5-minute evening gratitude reflection. Expected results: better sleep, more stable energy, reduced shakiness, better emotional mornings. Week 3. Rebuild your muscles and hormones. Add simple morning muscle activation, light daily walking, shoulder and hip mobility, work a little protein in every meal. Expected results: stronger legs, better balance, more energy before noon, clearer mind. Week 4. Complete morning transformation. Add deep breathing morning session, evening relaxation, weekly mineral-rich foods, avoiding late-night screen. USEA bedtime wind down routine. Expected results: your mornings feel renewed. You wake up lighter. You wake up calmer. You wake up stronger. You feel years younger. Final message from my heart to yours, me dear friend. If you feel weak every morning, please know this: you are not fading. You are not slowing down permanently. You are not losing yourself. Morning weakness is just a message from your body, a request for support, a whisper for change, and you now hold the wisdom to fix it. Slowly, gently, with compassion, with patience, with love for yourself. You deserve mornings full of light. You deserve mornings full of clarity. You deserve mornings full of strength. And with these small changes, that strength will return. Maybe slowly, maybe quietly, but it will return. And one morning, you will open your eyes, place your feet on the floor, stand up with confidence, and whisper to yourself, "I feel strong again," because you will. You truly will.